2011 to 2014 Subaru Impreza. I'm going to show you how to replace the USB and the auxiliary port. What's up, everybody? So you want to open your center console up right here, the lid, and here's what I'm going to be showing you how to replace right here. You know, whatever reason it's bad, you need to change it out. You want to get a plastic pry bar interior tool. I will link one below. It's like $5. You get like a whole bunch in a little kit on Amazon. Definitely worth it so you don't scratch your interior. Now we're going to take this back cover off. Close your lid. You didn't have to open it. I was just showing you where it was, but we're going to kind of use this to kind of pop this thing backwards a little bit. All you got to do is get it off a little bit, and then you can kind of wiggle it and pull it straight backwards. Don't go up or down, just straight backwards. It'll come off. Now we're going to have access to the USB port right here. Now there are these 4 little retainer clips on the sides. You need to push those in and then push the USB up with your other hand. You'll see them when you look under here. There's like these 4 little locking tabs. They're super easy to compress. Just press them in a little bit, push this up. It'll pretty much come up after you get 1 or 2 loose. And that's all we need. Now we're going to grab it from the top and gently kind of just wiggle it and pull it forward. The wire harness will actually come out a decent amount. Not too much though, don't just rip it, because then you'll rip the wires. There's going to be 2 connectors on here, a white one and a black one. The white one has a little thumb tab in the middle, but if your thumb is too fat like mine, I just use a small flathead to compress the little button in the center and then pull the connector backwards like that. It will come off pretty easy. And then the black one is, you're just going to grab the black connector and wiggle it and pull it backwards. It's more of like a traditional style, like audio wire, no clips or nothing. And yeah, that's how you do it. That's how you get it off. There was no part number on mine anywhere, so I had to look it up, but I got the part number right here. And it looks like it's a dealer only part. No aftermarket companies make aftermarket ones. But it fits a 2011 to a 2014 Subaru Impreza and a STI as well. Good news is though, they do sell these on Amazon. It's $125, but you get fast shipping. You know, you get it the next day or whatever. So I'm gonna put links below for that. Once you get your new one, all you gotta do is plug it in. It's plug and play. We're just gonna go ahead and plug in the black connector first, because that one has more slack, and then just carefully plug in your white connector right back into the same spot it came out of. And then once those are in, carefully route your wire harness back down into the center console and then push this in place like this. And that's it, guys. That's how you replace your auxiliary port, USB port. We have to put the back center console panel back on. Just line up the tabs and push them in place. If yours has any kind of plastic tabs on it, make sure they're on their little posts they need to be on. And just get this lined up like that in place. And that's it. You're all good to go.
That's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off AUXITO.com promo code. Now AUXITO has a bunch of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket headlights. So if you got an older car, 80s, 90s, 2000s, even a newer car, if it has a bulb, they probably got an upgraded bulb for you. You may have seen aftermarket LED headlights on Amazon, but the thing, I'm not going to say any names, but the thing is, they have a lot of issues. Sometimes they start to flicker after a few months, or they get hot and the LED burns off. These are available on Amazon. You can get them there. However, if you go to the website and use the promo code GearmoAuto, you can get 15% off. It's really easy. All you got to do is go to the website on your phone or your computer and then put in what kind of car you have, what year, make and model, you know, that stuff, and then it'll display to you all the available lights for your vehicle. You can get headlights, tail lights, interior lights. Highly recommend getting some good interior lights. You'll be surprised how bright it is. So just type GearmoAuto in at the checkout and you'll get 15% off.